You need to be worried about the proverbial kind of shadow IT, but move to AI realm, where somebody is going to basically taking data that they may have access to on a folder, on an S3 bucket, and making it available to a model and saying, there you go, I'm doing my own program. So how do you deal with kind of the shadow problem? So first of all, you need to be able to uncover what AI I have in the enterprise, both within and without, and then understand the data that's going into that AI, because the risk around the model and the program is going to in large part be derived from the risk around the data that feeds that model. So I think everything starts with kind of knowing your AI and knowing your data. And there are tools, my company has one of these, BigID, that help you basically uncover your landscape. Where do I have my sensitive models? And the definition is because if it's external, maybe it's more sensitive than if it's internal. If it's on somebody's laptop, maybe it's more sensitive than if it's on a particular cloud share. So understanding where you have those models, and we developed some capabilities there. But then secondly, being able to understand what data are those models consuming? How are those models getting smart on my company? What is that kind of sometimes referred to as lineage? But this idea that certain data feeds certain models. And in that data, maybe there's personal information. In that data, maybe there's intellectual information. In that data, maybe there's payroll information. Maybe there's health information, non-public information if you're a public company. And so step one is just uncovering the landscape, unspooling it, making sense of it, knowing where you have your crown jewels, both from a model standpoint, a data standpoint, and then that intersection about which data is actually interacting with which models, which data